majorly into defense and aerospace sectors as well as 5G, wireless, telecom applications. So we are purely into RF and microwave coaxial cable assemblies manufacturing. So we have multiple cable assemblies based on frequency requirements and application goals. So here the one what you are seeing is a GPS and communication based cable assemblies which are up to 6 gigahertz cable assemblies. So you can see here these are our testing cable assemblies which are used for electronic cable test, electronic equipment testings like network analyzer. So when you wanted to do any RF module testings, those time you can use these cables, and up to 110 gigahertz we can give a solution. And these are our unique TLMP connectors, which are locking and vibration proof and shock proof connectors. So which can be used on aerospace and space applications. So these are our microwave cable assemblies, which are aerospace qualified, and these are our locking types connectors which are specialized in aerospace industries, and frequencies up to 18 gigahertz, 26.5 and 50 gigahertz you can operate. So these are also our similar type of cable assembly, but phase type cable assemblies which are very phase stable, and we can give the phase track solutions with phase matching requirements. So these are our space qualified cable assemblies which are used on flight for cryogenic applications. These are used for space applications like satellite launch vehicles, satellites and multiple other applications with extreme temperatures. So these are our instaband cable assemblies which are used an inside board, inside any module connections and inside box the applications, which can be used as a right angle connectors. Instead of right angle connectors, we can straight away use this cable and bend these connectors as shown in the diagram. So it can be bent beside the connector to avoid this right angle connectors requirements. So these are all up to 50 gigahertz it can operate. So it's all times unique cable assemblies.